Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a few odds and ends around the house, and I've been working on my flower beds just a little bit, trying to move some rose bushes around I did order some new roses, and I'll show y'all what I ordered. I just couldn't help myself. Hey everyone, and welcome to Miss Beth's Place. It's Friday, and on Fridays I do baby duty. Say hello, Melody. Melody. Woohoo! She's not gonna say nothing. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a few odds and ends around the house, and I've been working on my flower beds just a little bit, trying to move some rose bushes around I did order some new roses, and I'll show y'all what I ordered. I just couldn't help myself. We are in South Alabama. Sorry about my messy hair. It's been one of those mornings. We are in South Alabama, and here it is pretty. We've had some pretty cold days, and we had one day where it snowed for like, I don't know, a half an inch, and it was gone by the end of the day. So anyways, that being said, the temperatures are up and down, up and down. Mother Nature can't decide whether she wants it to be hot or cold. So we're just gonna do some things around the house today. I'm gonna do a little planting, try to dig up some more roses and move them, and I'll take y'all along for that. But in the future, I'm gonna, hopefully, it's gonna warm up, and I'm gonna get some stuff done around outside. So, welcome to Miss Beth's Place. That includes food, yards, pretty stuff outside, pretty stuff inside. My pretty little pups, which are outside, they're mad at me right now because I put them outside. But it's 60 degrees right now outside. And yesterday it was like 45, or last night it was 35. I don't know. It's just been cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. So I'm glad y'all came by today, and let's get some stuff done. So this is a big raised bed out in the front of my house. It's full of yarrow that's white. It's so beautiful when all of it blooms together, but I have 3 rose bushes in this raised bed, and the yarrow is just choking out the roses. One of them I think's already dead, but the other 2 are still living. One's a purple color and one's a pink. I'm gonna have to go back and find the names of them. I had labels on them, but the yarrow has, I don't know if it's decayed it or what, but I couldn't find the labels, so I'm gonna try to go back and find those labels. It took me a little while to get these roses out, and they have some major thorns. As you can see, the yarrow is all embedded in there. Yeah, these were really pretty roses during the summer, and I hate that they have been kind of choked out. by the yarrow, which is beautiful, but it kind of is getting invasive. I'm thinking I'm going to transplant some of this yarrow to different parts of the yard when it warms up a little bit more. And because you only have to have a little bit. I think I started out with about 3 sprigs of this stuff that I had got from a garden show here in town locally back a couple years ago. And I mean, it is thick. Yeah, that rose right there it's pretty healthy looking after I cut it back a little bit. I'm going to fertilize them really good and put them over into my back bed. I got a lot of stuff out of it. It looks really kind of crappy right now, but when I get done, I think it'll look really nice. So, alrighty, let's go to the back bed, and I'll show y'all where I plant these at. Okay, I dug these out of my front raised bed, and I'm going to put them back here. I'm redoing this. This was covered in lantana and some type of ground cover that's just really invasive. I forget the name of it. Was around my pool. I'm working on getting all of it out of here. So I moved that little rose bush there. I don't know if it's still living. It doesn't look too promising. There was a big rock buried right there, so I got it out. I'm gonna chop that up and fertilize that hole. I cut these back, cut this one back, and I'm gonna put one of the roses there and one over there. Pups, they love it when I'm out back doing stuff. They like to get out there and romp around and check out what's in the bushes, sniff everything down. There's a rose bush there they're sniffing out. That's another one I transplanted. So if you got stuff that ain't doing good in one spot, move it somewhere else. I've never had a problem with moving roses around. If they're not flowering, if they're not looking good, if they act like they don't feel good, dig them up. Plant them somewhere else.
Hey, how you doing?